Okay, update tayo sa kaganapan kay Pangulong Rodrigo Roa Duterte na nakadetine sa Villamor Air Base. Ito, may post ang ABS-CBN News 57 minutes ago. Sabi nila, PNP CIDG tells former President Rodrigo Duterte that he needs to board a plane and he has the freedom to bring any 3 people with him. Officials continue to refuse to disclose the intended destination. Duterte tell officials, this is kidnapping. Screenshot from Veronica Duterte via Katrina Domingo, ABS-CBN News. Yan po, si PRRD na ikiusap sa CIDG na pinapasakay na po siya sa eroplano. So, totoo talaga yung balita na dadalhin siya somewhere. So, hindi sinasabi ng PNP saan siya dadalhin. Kailang nagbigay na ng pahayag si Mayor Basti Duterte at saka si BP Inday Sara na pilit talaga nilang gustong isakay si PRRD sa eroplano na allegedly ang destinasyon is sa Netherlands. May post kanina ang Bilyonaryo News Channel. Sabi, may dumating na Learjet o private jet na allegedly ito daw ang magtra-transport kay Pangulong Duterte mula Villamor Air Base patungong the Netherlands. So, ito, sa post na ito ng ABS-CBN, 4,800 people reacted, 2,100 tumatawa. 1,300 like and 802 ang galit. Okay, magbasa tayo sa mga comments. Los Biminda Lobete. Florenda Plarizan. Always God protecting Tatay Digong because he is a man of integrity. Totong Amar. If he, PRRD, being so popular, pwedeng ganyanin dito sa Pilipinas, ano pa kaya ang hindi pwedeng gawin? So sad, it is like divide and rule tactic. The issue so divisive that it becomes easy for people to be manipulated.
After I have tea, I can have gadget.
Shuttle Baloa. The president who prioritized the safety of the nation and restored peace and order is now being arrested. What a shameful and disgraceful act. During his tenure, he implemented strong measures to combat crime, illegal drugs, and insurgency, ensuring that Filipinos could live without fear. His leadership was marked by a firm stance on law and order, which significantly improved the country's security. Aileen Hirona. To the military people and soldiers who have served the former President Duterte, the last thing we want is martial law and civil war. We long to have a country we can be proud of. Please protect our former president. Remember the time when he treated you in the military and police force well, with honor and respect. Do not turn your back now we implore you to treat President Duterte kindly as humanly as possible. I hope you still have utang na loob. Lo Matyong, we may not agree in handling the West Philippine Sea issue, but denying him the right to seek for proper healthcare is something not acceptable. Ramsey Quason, 3 persons who can be with Duterte when he boards the plane. Ante Solis, the best president ever had. God bless po. Shirley Persis, Tatay Rodrigo Duterte is the best president. I salute this man. Jerome Dutch, mga ka-DDS, pag may people power, sama ako dyan, basta hindi bababa. Okay, so pinapapili ng 3 tao na isasakay. Hindi naman sumakay. This is kidnapping. So, bantayan po natin. Wala na pong tulugan ngayong gabi kung anong mangyari. But, ang magandang balita po is umaksyon na ang Supreme Court doon sa petisyon na isinampa sa Korte Suprema. Ni-raffle na at hopefully bukas mayroon ng resulta kung sana mayroong issue na temporary restraining order.